Which table saw is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Works Pegasus Folding Work Table. First up is the Works Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. Priced at $140, this product really caught my attention with its unique folding design. If you want a portable workspace that transitions between a table and a sawhorse, this is worth a serious look. What makes the Pegasus stand out is its easy setup. You can pop it open in seconds and it folds down compactly for storage. The heavy-duty support can handle a load of up to 300 pounds as a workbench and an incredible 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. This flexibility means you can tackle a range of projects, from woodworking to painting. Plus, it has a built-in measuring guide, so you won't need to search for tape measures anymore. With a solid 4.8-star rating from over 14,200 reviews, people are clearly loving it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you often find yourself needing extra workspace on the go, this is a lifesaver. Now, some people complained about its weight, stating that at 30 pounds, it can be a bit cumbersome to move for extended periods. Here's the thing though, while it's not the lightest option, its heavy-duty construction means it's built to last, making it a worthy trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a woodworker who needs a portable solution for your projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight for just small crafts. Overall, for $140, it delivers great value for a versatile workbench solution. Now, if the Pegasus's weight bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw. Next up is the RUITOOL Japanese Handsaw, priced at just $10.58. This caught my eye because it's not just any handsaw, it's a double-edged pull saw that's perfect for precision cuts. If you're looking for a reliable hand tool for detailed woodworking, this is worth a serious look. One side has 17 teeth per inch for hardwood, while the other has 14 TPI for softwood, making it incredibly versatile. This means you can switch between cutting styles without needing multiple saws. The saw has a solid 4.6-star rating from 6,100 reviews, and with over 10,000 sold last month, it's clear that people appreciate its quality. Here's why this matters for you. If you need to make fine, precise cuts without the bulk of a table saw, this little tool is a game changer. Now, some users reported that the handle can be a bit uncomfortable during extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're doing short, detailed cuts, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The precision it offers far outweighs the slight discomfort. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or a carpenter looking for a compact yet effective cutting tool. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty power saw for larger projects. For under $11, it's a steal for what it can do. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger projects. Product number 3, WEN 9-inch bandsaw. Coming in at $139.48, we have the WEN 9-inch bandsaw. This caught my attention with its powerful 2.8 amp motor that allows you to create cuts up to 312 inches deep. If you want versatility in your woodworking, this one's definitely worth a look. The bandsaw rotates the blade up to 2,500 feet per minute, which means you can cut through tougher materials without much hassle. It has a spacious 1214x 11.78-inch work table that can tilt up to 45 degrees, giving you flexibility for angled cuts. Plus, it comes with a 1/4-inch blade, dust port, and miter gauge, making it a solid package for beginners and pros alike. With a rating of 4.4 stars from about 1,300 reviews, users appreciate its performance. Now, some users mentioned that the assembly can be a bit tricky, which can be frustrating. But honestly, once you get past that, this saw performs exceptionally well, so don't let that dissuade you. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or woodworker needing a capable saw for various cutting tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a more portable solution. At under $140, it's a great investment for serious woodworking. Now, if the assembly issue concerned you, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, Metaba HPT 10-inch miter saw. Next is the Mataba HPT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw priced at $148.42. This one really impressed me with its lightweight design and powerful 15-amp motor. If you're after precision and portability, this saw is worth a serious look. With a no-load speed of up to 5,000 RPM, it cuts through wood like butter. The improved miter scale allows for accurate adjustments, plus it has a vise clamping system to secure your workpiece, ensuring safety during use. It's perfect for a range of cuts with a versatile left and right miter angle range of 0.52 degrees and an adjustable bevel range of 0.45 degrees. It has a strong 4.6-star rating from 445 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Here's why this matters for you. If you need a powerful miter saw that you can easily transport, this is a strong contender. Now, some users found it a bit difficult to get the settings right initially. Here's the thing though, once you familiarize yourself with it, the precision it offers really shines through, making it worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're working on detailed woodworking projects and need a reliable saw. Skip this one if you're only doing occasional light cutting. For $148, you're getting a great tool for the price. Alright, that was a fantastic option. Let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, SKIL Portable Jobsite Table Saw. Finally, we have the SKIL 15-amp 10-inch portable jobsite table saw priced at $329. This one caught my attention because it promises portability and powerful performance. If you're serious about woodworking and need a reliable jobsite saw, this is worth a serious look. The integrated folding stand makes it easy to transport and store, which is a major plus. It has a cutting capacity of up to 4x4 at 90 degrees and a bevel capacity of 0.45 degrees to tackle different angles. With a 4.7-star rating from 2,800 reviews, it's clearly meeting the needs of woodworkers. Here's why this matters for you. If you need something that combines power and portability, this saw will help you tackle larger projects. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit pricey compared to others on this list. But I'll be real with you, if you're serious about your work, the investment is worth it for the quality and features you get. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious hobbyist who needs a reliable job site saw. Skip this one if you just need something for small home projects. For $329, it brings excellent value for serious woodworkers. In summary, we've covered a range of table saws that suit different needs and budgets. The Works Pegasus for portability, the RUITOOL hand saw for precision, the Wen band saw for versatility, the Mataba HPT miter saw for power, and the SKIL jobsite saw for serious projects. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your woodworking style best.